on Brant's Cooking, we're going to be making some delicious baked potato soup. First off, we need to go through the ingredients. We're going to need 6 slices of bacon. That should do fine. A 1/3 cup of flour, 3.5 cups of milk, 2 cubed baked potatoes, and around 1 chopped onion, and around a cup or so of sharp cheddar cheese, and 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Need a 1/3 cup of margarine, and let's get into cutting the potatoes. After you've peeled the potatoes, make sure you cut them into nice little cubes. Doesn't matter the size, I like them a little smaller. And after you have all your potatoes cubed and cut, let's put them into a pot. Next, I want to add in some water, don't forget that, and let it get to a boil. Once your potatoes are into a boil, you want to make sure that you get them nice and you get them soft. Not too soft, not too hard. Right in the middle should do, because when they're in the soup, they're going to soften up just a bit more. Don't want them to fall apart in the soup. Alright, put those to the side, put them in a strainer, and let's get the bacon started. I usually do 6 or so slices, but you can do more. After that, you're going to want to start your roux. You're going to need a 1/3 cup of margarine, and after that, you're going to want to start to slowly add in your milk when the margarine's melted, and once those are too nice and mixed together, you want to add in your flour. Once your flour is mixed in, you need to add in our baked potatoes and our chopped onions. Once you have the chopped onions in, you want to let them just rest, mix together, let it thicken, and just let the flavors mix. Enjoy the smell. Just look at how delicious that looks. Next, we want to crush up that bacon that we put to the side earlier, and once all of our bacon is crushed up, we want to add it into our soup. Make sure to stir that bacon in nice and good. After that, we are going to want to add in our sharp cheddar cheese. Once the cheese is added in, it's going to start to really thicken up, and it's just an amazing thick soup. Next, we're going to add in our sour cream. Next, we want to add in our 1 teaspoon of salt and our other teaspoon of pepper. So yeah, that's how you make a baked potato soup. Really delicious. My whole family had it. Pretty much made us full on the Christmas dinner. Alright, that's Brant's Cooking. See ya.